What's up, everyone? Welcome to another video. So, I thought we would revisit some of my previous tweets and the updated version currently on my Twitter. So, this was the BTC halving Fibonacci time analysis. And what this does is from the halvenings are these red lines on the chart here, and we have them as the yellow charts, the yellow lines on the chart over there. And this perfectly showed where the accumulation phase slash bottom happened for BTC. You can see the price here at 16K. The bottom tends to be around the 0.618. And if we go over here, there is, yeah, it's the same thing. Anyway, now I just made a new tweet about this showing that after the 78.6 level, you exit the accumulation zone. And after the 78.6, it starts to get a little bit boring, and you get the slight declines as you head into um, August and September. They don't tend to be really great months for crypto. And the overall stock market is having a little bit of a cool down after its massive explosive moves from its lows. So if we go over to this chart, we can see the first halvening over here, the yellow line, the second halvening, the third halvening. I'll just show you guys how I draw this. So I select the time of the time analysis over here, plot it on, now this is the monthly chart, plot it on where the halvening happened, extends it to when the second halvening happened, and then you get this nice range. The pink line being the 0.618 or the golden ratio. We can see that the bottom has already happened during this time. And then the 78.6 level, now in 2016 and 2015, it just continued into the halvening as it was pretty early, like gains were exponential. And then the topping pattern happens at, this is the extension, the 1.382 it's called. I'll just show you the 1.318. That is just to show us where the tops would be. And the top prints 1 month before the 1.382 extension. Now I'll just remove this, or we can keep it on. And now from this halvening to the third halvening, from the second to the third, once again we can see when the golden ratio has been hit, the bottom was already in. And if we plot the horizontal ray here, we can see that was in fact the bottom at 3,122. Your accumulation period between the 61.8 and the 78.6 level, now this was quite explosive from the bottom. We didn't really create the best market structure. That's just a fancy way of saying higher lows. And if you go on the weekly, you will see a little bit of higher lows, a nice W, and off we went. And the accumulation phase ends, and then we had the virus dump, and by the halvening, you get the explosive move to the upside after the halvening. Now, the next halvening is predicted to be in May or April. And what we'll do is we'll just pull that fib tool to that day. This is January, March, April. And we will plot it there. And we can see that if we put it in March, let's just quickly make sure when the next halvening is. So we can get an accurate April 25th. So the end of April. Let's just move that to May. Okay, so there is our current channel where we are in. And we can see that the last time we did this, it perfectly, a month after the 61.8, it bottomed. Where are we now? Yes, a month after it bottomed. Actually, it bottomed exactly if we take the end of April as the halvening, exactly on that day, or that month, excuse me, just like in 2018. Although the bottom was in already 2 months back in 2015. Either way, it is in that area. It's not supposed to be specific, but it's pretty darn accurate if we look at it like that. Now this gives us our top in, like we said, 1 month after the top is in this 1.382 print. So we would be expecting it, if it prints as it printed in November, we would expect it 1 month earlier, which would be October 2025. So that would be our topping area. Now the altcoins obviously don't top there; they tend to top a month after, which would put it the tops for the altcoins in November, as Ethereum tends to top a month after. Let's just add that for you. After BTC does. It topped the exact month that BTC did this time. Previous times, 1 month after in 2018, and it didn't exist in 2015. Okay, so around the same area as the 1.382 Ethereum tends to top out. So this is actually more accurate for Ethereum if we look at it like that. So then this would put our top in October of 25. And then, but for this video, this is obviously the end of the accumulation phase and a little bit of a retracement. I don't think we will get this massive retracement that we got during the virus dump, but if that were to happen, you'd probably retest these breakout levels down here at 18k. But the weekly looks fine. We have hidden bullish divergence, which tends to show that there is bullish continuation of the trend, or just continuation of the trend, and currently the trend is still up as we have these higher lows, right? This is the hidden bullish divergence that I'm talking about here. Indicator or the oscillator is going down, yet price action is still up. This hasn't been confirmed yet, it's just forming now. So what can we expect to happen next? Probably very boring until the halvening happens in the end of April 25. So sideways movements generally from these areas. Let's actually do a bar pattern from here to the, excuse the noises, it is very windy where I'm at. So something like this, a sideways movement, right? This is the first halvening. Then over here, it looks something like this. That was the first halvening cycle. We'll just change that color to neon. So yeah, pretty much you can expect a boring sideways movement all the way to the end of the middle of next year. So there it is. Let the bears have their day. They're very bearish because they missed out on this massive run, not only in Bitcoin but in the stock market as well. So yeah, with that being said, thank you for watching this video. Today's sponsor is, do go check out the Telegram group where you can get the Granny Style of Investing DeFi edition. If you want to get it in crypto, it's 50% off. Otherwise, you can use the link and pay with a PayPal Cash. For $100, this will give you lifetime access. And I post often there the best farms, the trades I'm taking, and some of the other exclusive content on there. So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers for now.